Let's get some legal analysis now from Advocate Paul Hoffman, the director at Accountability Now. He joins us via Skype. Thanks so much for your time, Advocate. Of course, today is going to be a day many people, watch exactly what happens in court.
So I think you're quite right, because there's going to be evidence in mitigation of sentence from the Oscar Pistorius defense team, and the prosecution may choose to lead evidence in aggravation of sentence. There's been some speculation in the media that the victim's father will be called in order to demonstrate graphically to the court the impact that the death of Oscar's girlfriend had on the family in which she was living at the time of her death.
Now, talk us through some of the sentences that could actually come out of this murder conviction.
Well, what we do know is what the judge thought was an appropriate sentence if one approaches it from the point of view of being a case of culpable homicide. Now that the Supreme Court of Appeal has upgraded it to a murder conviction and sent the matter back to the trial court to hear evidence in mitigation and aggravation, the trial judge is going to have to reconsider her approach, not only because the nature of the crime has been moved out of the realms of negligent action and into the realms of intentional action, but she will also have to take into consideration and balance the aggravating and the mitigating circumstances which are placed before her by way of credible evidence. So what I think we can speculate at this stage is it will certainly be more than the sentence that was handed down in the culpable homicide matter, but whether it gets to the obligatory minimum sentence of 15 years, or whether there are compelling circumstances which persuade the judge to give less than 15 years, will really depend on her approach to the evidence that is placed before her today and perhaps even tomorrow, and until the sentencing part of the proceedings comes to an end.
All right, we're going to have to leave it there because of the poor quality of that connection. But thanks so much for your time. That was Advocate Paul Hoffman, Director at Accountability Now.